You can't imagine how many kinds of animals and birds there are in our world without seeing them. All these animals and birds are part of our environment. They make our environment beautiful. Among them, there are some beautiful animals, which makes us happy. On the other hand, there are some animals that are very dangerous, from which it is always better to stay away. So today, to give you joy, to make your mind better, I will show you and listen to the calls of some of the most beautiful and rare birds in the world, which you may have never heard before. So don't miss it and watch the full video. And of course, give a like to the video.